Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make your Canva designs more creative with graphic elements? Canva Mobile provides a variety of graphics that you can add to your projects with just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add graphics in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing project or create a new project. For this example, I'll create a new video, tap video, then choose the design type you want to use. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the editor opens, tap on an empty area of the design, then select Elements. The Elements panel will open. In the Browse Categories section, find and select Graphics. Canva will display different graphic elements that you can use in your project. Tap the graphic you want to add. The graphic will be added to your design. You can resize, move, and adjust the graphic to match your project. Customize the position and size until you get the look you want. Once you are finished, tap the checkmark icon. The changes will be saved. To save your project, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your project. And that's how to add graphics in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.